Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amal, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a merry biscuit delight, or like a Swedish, whatever you want to call. So like this is a no-fare recipe, and like the ingredients are pretty much available at home. It's super easy to make and like quick. So let's start. The ingredients which are needed for the merry biscuit Swedish. So as all of you can see, I crushed some merry biscuit in a bowl because I want to save time and not make the video too long. We have butter, melted butter, make sure you use melted. I have some walnuts and dry fruits. We have some pineapples, that come in like the tin box. We have some pineapple juice because it's also like needed. I used 2 packs of milk pack cream and added a little bit of sugar with them and mixed them. And first of all, I did merry biscuit in this. You will need like this type of spatula to do it, like layer it. You need to make one layer at a time. I made like one layer to show how it would look like. Now I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. So first of all, as all of you can see, I made a layer like that. You need some biscuits and then like put it, and then you evenly layer it. So now I'm gonna be putting butter. Don't do put like a lot. Just you need a little bit to make it wet, so it's nice and like even. And the biscuits would actually be like a part of the layer, not like uneven and odd. So it looks like I'm adding. Okay. You don't have to mix it. You just have to like put it lightly. That looks like. Make sure like the butter is melted, not soft. It should be like completely melted. So I'm going to be putting some pineapple juice. This is how it looks like. Putting on every side. Looks like. I think I'm going to put a little bit more. Like that. See? It's nice and wet and soaked. And now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting some dry fruit. Yes, I'm going to be putting some walnuts in. Make sure you like evenly spread them. Like that. I'm going to put these more. Not too many, just the right amount. You also have some kishmish. Okay, so this was it for like the walnuts. Now I'm gonna be adding the pineapples. Now I'm gonna be putting some pineapples. Look like. I'm also gonna be like topping them with the kishmish and walnuts. You could add any fruit you like. I'm adding pineapples because I like them. Just a little. I think these are enough. And now what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be putting cream to make like a nice layer. I'm gonna even it out. See? Cream. Okay, so now I'm gonna be putting Mary biscuit because I did put a lot of cream. So yeah. Then I'm gonna even it out with the spatula. Yeah, I'm gonna even it out like that to make a layer. Okay. Okay, so as you can see the layer is done, then I'm gonna add walnuts. See, I already added some. I kept some Mary biscuit left because we also have to, top it to like the top, shred it, make it beautiful. And I'm gonna be adding butter. Okay, so then I'm gonna be adding pineapple juice. This is how it looks like. Okay, this much is fine. And now I'm gonna be adding the cream. Okay, so I forgot the pineapple. Now I'm gonna put them. Okay, so this much is it. Now I'm gonna be putting the cream. It's like the last layer. That's what it looks like. So guys, now I'm gonna be sprinkle Mary biscuit. The rest of that I'm gonna be sprinkling. Okay, so now I'm done. Yeah, and guys, now you have to put it in the like the fridge for like an 30 minutes. Then your tasty dessert is ready. So this was it for my video, guys. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And till then, bye.